Hey guys, what's up? I finished the arcade build, so let me take you around, kind of show you a little bit of what I did to finish it off and show you how it works. So here is the finished unit before it is turned on. You can see on the base I added a sticker here, and that one goes all the way down and then it connects into this sticker here. But if the top is, on its own like that, it still looks like a nice cohesive sticker. So if it's played as a mini arcade, it still looks like a little mini arcade, but when you combine it with the base there, it looks like one big unit, which is nice. So, and then this one has my same coin slot I was doing on the cocktails that lights up whenever the machine turns on. This one has a little bit of a different feature. This is the marquee, and behind this I put a fluorescent tube light and a little battery pack here. So then I have a switch right here. You can flip that on, and it flips on that light, so that one turns on. I did that because on the back here, this is one piece of wood, and so I didn't have a place to run wires down to give it power without the wire being shown. Kind of a last-minute addition, but I think it looks really cool. It looks really bright in the video. The lighting's a little more even in real life than on this video camera. So there it is with the light off. And to turn it on, I've got the little hinge here. And on the inside, it's kind of dark, but you can see the wiring. Right back here is the iPac board that all of these controls are going into. I've got a USB hub here. This USB hub's got the power for my speaker, which this speaker runs on 4.5 volts. I'm running 5 to it. I didn't put a resistor, but it's the last one I did, it never had a problem with running on 5, and it doesn't seem to be overpowering it or anything, so I'm pretty sure that it's safe. Then I've got a couple LEDs in here, and that is also going up and being powered by 5 volts. So it's really simple to turn on. The on-off switch for the netbook is just right here, so you just flip that on, and you'll see there's the LEDs lighting up in the coin slot, and there's the back side of the monitor there turning on. So, and then you can see the green light there on the speaker also as it's lit up. So once it turns on, it boots up XP. That's what it runs on, and it takes a couple minutes to turn on, and it'll turn on, and then the front end software that I use will come on automatically. It's using software called Maximus Arcade, which I purchased a copy of. It's a really nice front end, really easy to use, and so I've got it. It also is easy to set up in this layout, the cocktail layout, which is the long monitor on its 90-degree turn from what you normally use it. So once Maximus boots up here, you can see it booting up. There's the coin slot all lit up. It'll take it a minute to load. Okay, so the cool thing about Maximus is that it gives, for anyone that has a screenshot of the game, it'll put the screenshot of the game down here. So like this is Donkey Kong, so it puts a screenshot of Donkey Kong on this little arcade machine here. There's Donkey Kong Jr., Explorer, Frogger. So let's say you wanted to play like Galaga. So then once you choose a game, all you have to do is hit the start button, and it'll go into the game. There it goes. And on MAME games, for some reason, it always tells you this little message at the beginning, and it says type OK or move the joystick left and right to continue. So you just do left, right, and the game starts up. This is the same thing that you would see if you're booting up the actual arcade game. So it's not something that's weird. This is what you would really see as it's doing all its MIM tests and everything. So now that the game is running, you can see it's set to any game that was meant to be played on a long monitor like this. it's auto-rotating it and it fills the full screen. If it's a game that was meant to be played on a screen that's going, left to right is the longer side, it'll then make it basically like a letterbox where you'll have a black box here and a black box here, but it'll go ahead and auto-rotate it and turn it this direction. So the way I have this set up to add coins, you just hold start 1 and hit player 1, and you can see that then it adds coins. And then to start the game, you just hit start. I paused it. This pauses the game. If you hold down start and go down, you'll see it pauses the game, and then it starts it back up. So I accidentally hit that as I was trying to do this with one hand, but so you can add added a bunch of coins. And then you can start your game, just like that. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Okay, so once you get tired of that game, you can hit start, and then this, if I can reach it, start and number 2 button, which is this one here, doink, and it exits out of the game that you were chosen, and it'll take you back to the menu system. And then you can choose whatever other game you wanted to play. So, if you wanted to play Joust, you could pick that. If you do up and down, it'll go up and down through the menu. If you do left and right, it'll jump to, I believe it's like 10 or 20 at a time, so that you can get through the menu system a little bit faster using left, right. And then when you get to about where you're at, you can just do up and down. And then when you're ready, you just, you pick what you want to have, and then you just hit start. And off it goes to the next game. So there it is, the finished build. It's going to be shipped off to Canada tomorrow, so that's kind of exciting. I've never shipped it. I've shipped one to Hawaii before, but this is the first one to go outside of the US. So that is all, and thanks for watching.